Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So today we have got a 33 Plymouth Sedan, and this casting is by Matchbox. It's not new, it's actually from 2017. I recently got it from someone. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Plymouth Sedan out of its box, and as you can see it says Police Matchbox Unit 12V. So it's an old police vehicle. Doesn't have those, I don't think. Did the cars had those older lamps? No, I think they had like single lamp on the side or somewhere, but then had like the bar on the top. So it's 33 from 1933, so it's older car, and it has the shape of most of the older car. They looked kind of same to a lot of people. Long hood, cabin, and then spare wheel in the back. But since we're on the side, let's talk about these wheels. They look really good here. They look like old steel wheels. You also got those door handles here, and if you can see, they went on the other side, not what you get now. So very classic thing. It does have a long hood. So let's move to the front. Up front, you got a detailed grille. You got those black fenders. The car itself is finished in brown. Headlamps are there, but they are not detailed. I think if you want, you can detail it. A very classic looking hood. Looks like a split hood. Chrome bumper. So some good details in the front. Still, these are missing. Like not detailed headlamp. I think that's the place to put your starter handle. I think these did have like handle or crank through which you can start the car. So I think that's the place to put that. Now, let's move to the passenger side. Looks almost identical. You see the steps here too. It's a big sedan. Some of them were like small ones. Coming to the back, you can see the spare wheel. You can see the tail lamps. That's surprising. I only see one tail lamp. I don't know if it actually came with just one tail lamp. You also see the fuel filler there. A chrome bumper. I'm not sure if it came with one tail lamp. Might have. So you see a tail lamp there, nothing on this side. And a small rear window. Overall looks like a nice little casting. Obviously can use some more details, but it's almost 8-year-old, and I don't think Matchbox or Hot Wheels did that many painted headlamps or tail lamps back then as they do now. But still looks good. Let me know what do you think about the casting. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.